Hi everyone, welcome to the video. My name is Eva Priscilla. Thank you for watching. I have a very special unboxing that I am going to share with you guys. I don't know how to express in words how appreciative I am of this opportunity, so let's get started and I'll tell you more about it. Okay, the first thing I'm gonna do, just to show you that I have not touched the box, I'm going to open it real quick, okay?
Alright.
Okay, so I have I met Bethany on social media. Many years ago, we have actually been friends long enough to watch our kids grow. So she sent me a little thank you.
Aww.
But I want to tell you, because I know you're watching, thank you for letting me do this. All the products are 100% vegan and 100% handmade. It's truly an honor, and thank you so much for letting me do this because I know you're watching. Okay, so I need to start. Okay, you guys, I have an idea. We are going to try out the products right now because it's 8 o'clock over here. I need to start getting ready for bed. Gotta do that night skin routine, and these are going to be a part of my skin routine. So let's try them out on film right now. Oh my gosh, look. Look at the color on that. It's like the color of pineapple. Oh my god. You're freaking kidding me? Oh my gosh. Can I eat this? Wait, it's vegan. Don't eat it. What does it smell like? Cruelty free? That's what it smells like. It smells like cruelty free. It's gorgeous. Let me read to you guys what it has inside. This is the Earth Angel Tropical Breeze Leave-In Hair Treatment. Restores and rejuvenates damaged hair, brings curl pattern and bounce back. It contains mango butter, coconut oil, banana enzymes, pineapple enzymes. I knew it looked like pineapple. Rosemary, clary sage, aloe vera, and lavender. Okay, it feels so soft. I can't even. Okay, I'm gonna grab some and I'm gonna put it in my hair because I'm gonna take a bath after this. Okay, let me get that. Oh. I'm gonna get that amount, okay? This already, it feels and it smells so good, you guys. I'm gonna get the ends because that's most important. I'm gonna have the best hair. The best hair. Okay, so I have the leave-in treatment in my hair. I love this. I love this. Okay, so next, this one. This one is just so beautiful. The color is beautiful and it just smells so good. It's the Earth Angel Beauty Wash. Has clary sage and liquid castile soap mainly. Okay, I'm gonna use this to wash my face. And this is gonna look so beautiful on my skincare, my little thing that I have set up in my bathroom. It's just gonna look so beautiful. I cannot wait. Okay, the next thing that I have is this spray bottle. She said that this is a lavender infused rose water. It's great for hair and skin, especially after the shower, and it helps regulate pH. Okay, so this is like my new toner basically. All right, I'm gonna save it for after the shower. Yeah, definitely. Okay, and this one, which is my favorite. When she sent me this, she's like, oh, I got something for your husband. It's an elixir. And I said, well, what else is it good for? She told me, blew my mind. She told me that it's infused with hibiscus, so you can already imagine what it smells like. And she said it's good for hair growth if women would like to use it as well. This is gold, you guys. This is gold. You know what I'm gonna do with this? I'm gonna put it on my eyebrows. This is mine. Mine. I claimed it.
Whether you like it or not.
The last thing is the candle. Okay, she said this is candle is the Earth Angel Bitty Butter Candle. Now get this, once you turn it on, it melts and it turns into body butter and you can use it on your skin.
It's lit.
I am gonna light this. I am gonna get in the shower up so you guys can see. Not only is this gonna make my whole bathroom smell delicious, it is going to turn into something that I can use. 100% cruelty-free, vegan-friendly, handmade. You guys, if you guys are able to financially go ahead and support your girl, I will leave a link here. I will put it in the description box below. With that said, I want to thank her so much. I know you're watching. Thank you for sending me all these products. I cannot wait to try them. And what I mean by that is I have to cut the video now because I'm gonna go try them. Thank you guys for watching. Please go ahead and subscribe if you'd like to see future videos, and I will see you in the next video. See you later. I gotta go get ready for bed. Okay, so right out of the shower, I always have makeup on my face. So I am gonna go ahead and use the Beauty Cleaner on my face. It has the consistency of conditioner, and of course, you gotta put it on your lips to take off the lipstick you do not see, girls. You gotta do it. To my surprise, there was makeup on my towel. Blew my mind away. I was so happy to see how much it took off. It worked and my face felt amazing. Okay, this is my favorite part. It is the toner spray. I love this stuff. I just found out about these and they have changed my life. I really do believe that they help with the pH. This bottle is just absolutely beautiful. It helps with hair growth, so of course your girl's got to put it on her eyebrows. It is so smooth. And this is when I remembered I forgot something. Remembered that the candle, you can put it on your body after it melts. So let's try that. Okay, I know I've been saying that everything is my favorite thing, but when I found out that the candle turns into body butter and it felt like body butter and it made my skin glow, I can't decide. I love all of them and I hope you give it a try and I know you will love it. Thank you so much for watching today. Thank you again, Miss Bethany Mae and Earth Angel Skin. I will see you all next time. Thank you for watching.